Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do like a get ready with me video, but this video is not like get ready with me to go out, it's like get ready with me to sleep, because today is literally awkward. I slept and woke up at night. Yeah, definitely. Like I slept last night around 4-5, and then I woke up around 2, and I literally spent the whole day in bed because what is happening outside is just too much. It's raining and it's very, very cold at the same time, so there's literally no place to go. So I spent the whole day on my bed. So right now I got up and went and had my bath. So right now I'm about to get ready to go back to bed again because what else to do? In this video I'm going to show you guys a couple of products that I've incorporated into my routine. As you can see, my face has gotten really clear. If you have been following my updates about my skincare and all the treatments that I've been undergoing, you would see that, man, I'm in a very good place right now. A very, very wonderful place. So coupled with the fact that my treatment has been working, I've also had some products that I incorporated that are really, really good. I used to use this cleanser from acne.org, or it's almost finished now, and I've been trying to get someone to help me buy another one from the US, but so far I haven't gotten anyone. So I was looking for an alternative. So somehow I saw this person that was going to Korea, and I got this recommendation from a friend. This is called Dermaclear Micro Water. It's from, I think, Dr. Jart. Yeah, Dr. Jart Plus. So this person got me this micro water cleanser, and it's really, really good. I really loved it. My friend has used it before, and I've also used it with her own. So I got this one as a replacement for my acne.org cleanser. So to get ready for this bed, what I'm gonna do first of all is I already had my bath. I didn't wash my face in the bathroom. So what I did what I'm gonna do first of all is to take this type of cotton pad and then clean my face with this Dermaclear micro water. Why I love using this type of cotton pad is that they are very thin and they are very they're not that absorbent of this thing, because if you use like the normal cotton pads, they kind of absorb the whole water thing and you would not have anything to clean your face with. But with this one, the micro water actually stays on top of the pad, so you actually have something to clean your face with, and you can get all the dirt out of your face. So I'm going to clean my face. According to the procedure for using this microderma water, you need to clean your face and then wait for some time before you go finish up with lukewarm water. But I don't really use lukewarm water. I just clean and then wash my face with whatever water that is available. But it still works. So I say clean until your cotton pad does not pick up any other dirt. But I don't think my face is that dirty. As you can see, it's not that dirty, because I didn't go anywhere. I literally slept and woke up, had my bath, and I'm about to go back to bed again. What a day. By the way, Valentine is coming up very quickly. On the 14th, today is already the 12th, so in today's time. What are you guys doing for Valentine? Are you guys going to be sleeping on your bed or going out with someone who has a date? I got none. So probably will be sleeping on my bed or doing something productive with my life. I saw this makeup that someone did on YouTube. It's very, very simple, clean. Like there was not too much color going on the person's face. It was just neat. It's like looking pretty effortlessly. So I might try to recreate that makeup for you guys for Valentine. So that some of you that had a date or wants to go out, you can recreate this makeup for yourself, and you don't go out there looking all colored up like you're going to a costume party or like it's Halloween out there. You look effortlessly pretty. That's what it should be. Okay, so I guess I'm done. I'm going to go out now and wash my face and then come back and show you guys the rest of the product and how I applied it. Okay, I'm back, face all cleaned. Okay, I guess you guys might be asking why I haven't uploaded any video on my treatments with respect to the one I was doing in the hospital. Let me tell you guys what happened. I was supposed to upload a video actually, what happened was the last time I went for treatment, you know, usually I would go for this treatment by myself, and I had to take the videos by myself because the doctor is actually working on my face, the nurse is actually helping the doctor, so there's actually no one to help me make this video. So I literally have to make it by myself. So what happened that day was they told me they were going to do this treatment where they have to apply a numbing cream on my face, and then my face has to numb for about 1 hour, and then they're going to use this needle. It was like the dermal injection kind of thing, but I thought it was that dermal injection because that day I was able to record myself, but that day's one was Jesus Christ. It was like I was in hellfire. I don't know what kind of I don't know, my face was just not, you know, getting numb. After applying the numbing cream for like 1 hour, yeah, literally I was there for 1 hour wearing the numbing cream, and then at the end of the day when they started that day, they said it's the tiny needle. It was not like that big needle one, it was like a tiny needle on a ruler, and then they're like rolling it on your face and the drugs are getting into your skin. Man, when they started, I wanted to record. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, I couldn't do anything. Like I was literally shouting and holding the nose like this, like I couldn't do nothing. So at the end of the day I was just like I couldn't record that video. I had no one to help me, so at the end of the day I didn't record anything. So when I came back, I just would I say lost the zeal to do any recording, and my face was looking really bad because after doing that that treatment that day, I came back, my face was really inflamed. All the areas that the needle went through, it was really inflamed and red. Like I didn't want to appear on camera, seriously. I didn't really want to see myself on camera looking like that. So that was the reason why I did not, you know, record any video. But then it took me about 5 days to heal, and now my face is okay. So that was why I haven't had any updates. I hope that the next time I go in for treatment, that the treatment wouldn't be so painful like that, so I'll be able to record. But on that note, let's continue. So I got this this is a toner. It actually came in this pack thing, as you can see. It's called the Skin Advance. Actually, this product, the very first time I used a product from this company is my makeup remover that I got from them, because I've been looking for a very good makeup remover. Finally I got this product, and it's from this Skin Advance. This company, they usually make products for people with very sensitive skin or people with problem skin. So when I was looking for my makeup remover, the woman that was selling it, she was like, you need to get this, if you experience any allergies after using this, bring it back to me. You know, she was saying everything to convince me to get this. And at the end of the day, I got this, and man, this was the best makeup remover I've ever used. Like I literally can use this to clean my face and not wash my face and go to bed. Like that is how good it is. And I'll wake up the next day with no pimple whatsoever on my face. Before now, when I apply makeup on my face, no matter the kind of makeup remover I use, at the end of the day I wake up the next day with new pimples on my face. At some point I was really scared of makeup. At some point I was scared because at the end of the day I don't know what to use to clean them off so that they don't clog my pores. But with this product, I'm not scared anymore. Like I can do makeup, clean my face, and not wake up with pimple the next day. That is what this makeup remover did for me. So after using this makeup remover, when my acne.org moisturizer is almost finished, and I couldn't get anyone to get me another one. I was trying to look for a second alternative on what to do when it comes to, you know, keeping moisture and all of that. I thought about this company and I went online to check if they have other products that I can buy. So I went and I saw one product that looks like moisturizer. So when I wanted to buy it, I decided first of all, let me talk to the customer care. So I talked to the customer care and they recommended that I buy this particular one. So this one is actually this one is made by this same company but from Korea, but from Japan. So this one is like it's the same company, but this one is made in Japan. But the makeup remover is also by the same company, but the company that made it is here in China. So they recommended that I buy this particular one. Now this one is for people that have sensitive skin like myself, and that is going to really keep me very hydrated and stuff. So they said I should not just buy the toner, that I should also incorporate this one is called the platinum watery luminous emulsion. So it looks like a moisturizer, but it's not really a moisturizer, but it does the same job as a moisturizer. Like when I use this product, my face looks very plumped up. Like when I'm using it, you might not notice it, but maybe say 1 minute after use or 2 minutes after use, like my face looks I really like the way my face feels and it looks so plumped up, like, you know, the skin, it just looks so fresh, and I don't know. So now that I wash my face is clean. Let me just stop blabbing and just go ahead. I'm going to apply this face toner from Skin Advanced. I don't even use cotton pad in application. Because I don't want to waste anything. I don't want nothing to go into the cotton pad. I use my fingers. So I just apply it on my face and use my fingers to press it in. This product is really expensive, so I don't want it to wasting on any type of cotton pad. I want to make sure that anything that comes out goes into my face. And if you're like me and you're struggling with your face, comment down below what your struggle has been like. Have you had any progress? Because for myself, glory be to God, I've had progress. If you knew me 1 year ago, even just 6 months ago, you would know that my face is in a very good place. So just tap on it, allow it to seep into my skin for a while, and then the next thing I'm going to do is apply the platinum luminous emulsion. Platinum watery luminous emulsion. Yeah, it's also from Skin Advanced, the same company, the same brand. So I'm just going to pump it out on my forehead, cheek area, and then distribute it all over my face. I think this is not enough. Let me add more here. Yeah, so I need to distribute it all over my body. With this, I don't even need to use my Acne.org moisturizer. So I'm going to my acne moisturizer. Will have to wait for some time because it's even almost finished. But when I got this one and I started using it, I fell in love with this one. So maybe until the day I fall out of love with this one, I'll go back to it. I don't know if you can see it in this camera. I found a new this luminous watery balabala donshi does to my face, but I just like the way it pops up my face. Normally in this winter, when I sleep and I wake up in the morning, my face looks really dry. Oh my god. But with this, when I wake up in the morning, my face still looks radiant. Like, my face doesn't look very oily, it's not very dry, it's just just there. It's just okay. I can literally wake up from my bed and walk out the door and still be feeling fly. Not like sometimes you wake up in the morning and your face is like either too oily or too dry, and you're wondering what exactly is my skin type. Like, sometimes I have to ask myself that question, because normally I would say I'm oily skin type, and then some days I'm like, am I dry? Some days I'm like, am I maybe in the normal side? What exactly am I? But that's the struggle. If you have gone through this, you would understand. If you haven't, you probably wouldn't understand, but you can learn from me. That is really struggling here sometimes, but I guess it's the end of my struggle though, because I'm getting better. I'm getting better, and I'm happy about it. Let me introduce you guys again to my new products. This one, Skin Advanced toner, the Skin Advanced luminous watery emulsion, watery luminous emulsion, platinum watery luminous emulsion, and my beautiful makeup remover just for any day that I have makeup on, and finally this Dr. Jart Dermaclear micro water. Okay, so I have a lot of products in here, but at the end of the day, it all boils down to these 4 products here. Like, they're everything to me right now. So I'm going to stop this video for today, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this get ready with me / chit chat video. So once I tie my hair right now, I'm ready for bed. So I'm going to stop here for today, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Bye.